Hello, how are you folks? Are you really good? Let's begin our next class of Python. Today we are talking about functions. We will go talking about functions. Functions is something very important to create programs in Python or in other language. No problem if you are using C or JavaScript, but you can use functions in other language too. So in Python, the language Python, you can use function. Use the word def. Def is the keyword that stands for define. Is something the word is defined, but they use def and used to create a user-defined function. A function is a reusable block of code that only runs when you explicitly call it. You can use a block a lot of times, so you don't waste time creating again what you have when you use a lot of times in the same program. You use the def to create a key that when you use that repeat what you wrote before. So when you use def, you are given a specific set of introductions, a name like a recipe, instead of writing the same code repeatedly. So it's a way to don't waste time writing again what you will repeat a lot of times inside the program. So you can package it into a function and call by its name whenever needed. So you can package it and you can use and call again with just a key, just a little word. So for example, if you have a word menu, you use def and you create the word menu, and you can create a function with this word. For example, you put here def menu and you print for example the first option of your menu, and after you print the second option of your menu, and in third you print the third option of your menu, and after just with the word menu you call all the text here that you wrote before. So it's a way that you can use to don't waste time. So let's go to our platform to write our code. So you can begin here writing def. You can use the name that you put before, like menu, and you put here the print, and in print you use here like one, like you can put here show the information, show the names, show the address in my address book. So you can put here add names, add address in my address book. Print search address in my address book. So some options that you can use in menu. Certainly you have a lot of options. You can put here telephone numbers, address, search for address. Let's try telephones, numbers, search for telephone numbers, print add telephone numbers. You can put edit telephone numbers, edit telephone numbers. Certainly you when you make a code, you put all the options that you have here to choose when you are going to enter in a system. So you put here menu and you have all the information here. Every time you can put it in file, and your other file you call it, and you just use this key here, and with this key, this letter, this function, you call what you need and you put it before. So the options are a lot. You have a lot of options. You have a lot of situations that you can use that. It's very common to use that because you can gain a lot of times in your work. So I think that's fine. Thank you, Evelyn. Thank you for everything. I hope that you have doubts. You send me a message and I will be waiting. Thank you. Bye. Bye.